Hey fam, Chichi here. Welcome back. Today I am doing a full review of my Louis Vuitton Speedy 20. I'm gonna show you all what fits in here and a couple of options like I always do. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. A little background for those of you who may not know. I purchased this for myself this year for my birthday, and this was completely an impulse buy. I am not an impulse buyer, especially when it comes to expensive bags. I like to sit with it a lot. I did a video hauling this bag so you can get the full story, but it was just one of those bags. It looked so good, and it was like, I need to know more about you. This was a part of the Stardust collection 2022, and this is the color Beige Clair, or what I like to call it, a toasted marshmallow, because that's the vibe she is giving. From different angles, it almost looks like the Cuisine bag because it does look puffy, but in real life, it is not puffy at all. The fleur-de-lis and the LVs are actually stamped in debossed. Is it embossed or debossed? Debossed in. And then the leather itself has almost like this ombre-ish vibe going on. And there's a tiny bit of sparkle to it if you look really, really close. So depending on how the lights hit it, this will appear lighter like it does on camera right now, but in person, it's more of this toasted marshmallow, hence why I call it toasted marshmallow. And it's absolutely fabulous. I never in a million years thought I would have a Speedy 20. I always envisioned myself with a Speedy 25. I'm like, okay, that's a little small. We can get with that. But honey, don't sleep on the 20 because she holds quite a bit. But before we get into it, let's do a little 360. You got your two rolled handles on every side of the bag. The LVs are upright except for the bottom where the two ends meet. You have a leather and chain mix for this shoulder strap. It does come with a lock and key, but I have never used the lock. The Speedies in general don't have feet. I wish that was a detail that they would change, but honey, I don't even care. And we have a dual zipper pull. This changes the game. And the one feature on this Speedy that I wish all bags that look like this had is that the zipper goes down on the side. If it just stops, let's say at the top, this is all the room to get in and out of. That is annoying as hell. So the fact that the zippers do go down the sides, even like just an inch on both sides, it just makes a world of a difference when you're trying to get your stuff out of the bag. Clearly you can see all of my junk is in here. So I'm gonna just show you the clown car that is my purse. Of course, I have my Galaxy Ultra 22. Then we have my card holder. I really need to change out of that. I've been carrying that for mad long. My Branded Blackwood key holder, my lotion. This is by French. If y'all haven't tried this, this smells amazing. Just sidebar. We have my wallet. This is my coin card holder. We have some hand sanitizer. Shout out to the EVE effect for putting me on to this. I have another set of keys. I have my SPF. Even though it's fall, winter, protect your face. We have some earbuds. I have some contacts floating up in here. I have my SPF lip balm, just saying. I have some perfume. This is MFK Gentle Fluidity Gold. We have my Fenty lipstick. What shade is this? I feel like doing extra today. This is Pose Queen. And then I have my coin purse. And that is it. We're at the bottom of the bag. It is a microfiber tan interior, so it's very easy to see what you do and don't have in your bag. And all of that in this little guy. If you had told me this years ago, I might have got this years ago. When I got home and actually like started using it, oh bitch. I was like, I could hold a whole lot of stuff in here. And because this is partially leather on the shoulder strap, it makes it so comfortable to wear for a long period of time. So I absolutely love it. One thing I will say, this here little slip pocket, I cannot put my card holder in horizontally. I can only put it in vertically. So that is a little bit of a Debbie Downer. You know how I feel about my slip pockets in bags. So because I have to put it in vertically, it just makes the bag right in the center stand up just a little bit, but it's not like a deal breaker. I think the biggest question is, girl, can we fit a water bottle in here? And I mean, if you want to fit it in vertically, go off, sis. Like, you could definitely fit it that way. And you technically could lay it in there. So if you're wondering about the size, it's literally the size of a water bottle. That gives you a decent perspective of, you know, how wide this bag is. But if you wanted to thug it out like that, I'm not saying do it, but let's throw some things in here. Wallet, phone, earbuds, we need the keys, some Sandy Sand, and let's do some lip balm. Let's throw some sunnies on these. I'm our Brandon Blackwoods. Like, look at that. I still have a little bit of room at the top to throw a few more things in. You know, I could put, you know, another lipstick, a little perfume. Now, granted, your water bottle is all the way at the bottom of the barrel, so not the best place to put it, but I don't know if you was trying to sneak in some water bottle. I don't know your life. Maybe you was trying to, you know, fill it up with vodka and take it into an event. I don't know. It is in there, but let me try to put that stuff at the bottom and the water bottle at the top, because, you know, that makes a world of a difference. And if need be, minus the sunglasses, you can lay the water bottle on top. I don't know if you're sold, but I'm sold. Look at it. Boom. It's right there, you know? So it does fit the water bottle, girl. I'm gonna take a little breaky break. Of course, the mini pochette is a great catch-all, so I'm gonna put in some plackers, got some, you know, extra eyeballs for my eyes, some mints, my SPF for my lips and my face, and maybe a perfume. Yeah, let's try to do a perfume so it's not like all over the place in my bag. So you could dump that in here. I also have my phone in here. I'm gonna do the keys. We're gonna do some hand sanitizer, the wallet again, and the coins. Do we want to do lotion? Sure, why not? Do the lotion and the earbuds again. There you see it. My mini pochette resting nice and comfortably right there. But yeah, everything is visible as well, which is what I love about it. Again, you could throw a pair of sunnies right on top if you live that sort of life. Not a fan of using big wallets with smaller bags, but let's see if the Sarah wallet will work. I don't think, oh, I thought, oh, okay. Yes and no. She does fit in there, but you gotta kind of, oh wait, is my zipper all the way down? You still gotta like work your way through it. And I highly would not recommend this because I don't want to scratch up the glazing on my wallet, on the teeth of this particular bag. So Sarah wallet, it does fit in there, but I don't recommend it. Compact zippy wallet, this is the older version. This one, I don't have a problem because it is a bit shorter than the Emily and the Sarah wallet. So just if you have something a little bit smaller, that fits nicely in there with your mini pochette. I didn't take the stuff out of there, so we're gonna put the same crap that we did. Lotion, Sandy, lipstick. Again, you're good to go. The tall stuff, it starts to get in the way, so you don't want to stretch out your bag like I be doing. I'm doing this for educational purposes. But if you are out and about, you know, you just want to lay your water bottle up there, I mean, it works, but I don't recommend doing that. You know, I always got to test my agenda. And I don't think this is going to fit. It's not going to fit in vertically, and good luck trying to put it in horizontally. So a MM agenda will not fit, but I'm pretty sure the PM agenda would fit in there. Why would you even bring a agenda that big? Hey, listen, I don't know your life. I completely forgot. Toiletry 15. This does have more of a square bottom, but you still can put it in here. I just don't like how it like rubs against the teeth of the bag, but it's in here, base chilling. Then the mini pochette right next to it. Got a little wallet. Let's put that right in between. Sandy. I haven't been putting in my keys. Oh, good Lord, where am I going without my keys? So it's a lot fuller than I would personally like with both of those pouches in here, but it is very doable. You all know this is just a big old Tetris game when it comes to trying to figure out what fits. So I'm just not even gonna try that. But I am gonna see if I can get my phone in here. Kind of just slid my phone right back here, but you can see it's very organized. I can literally see everything in here and it not be a big thing. Love that. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks on my body. Keep in mind I am 5'7" and a whole lot of woman in the 250 plus club. Of course I got my stuff in it. So boom, first thing we're gonna do is, you know, a little wrist action. I'm a big girl, so it really doesn't go too far up my wrist, but I personally love carrying it. Just a little top handle moment. Nothing too, you know, too much with that. Now currently this is on the shortest setting, so if I wanted to have a little shoulder moment, it's hitting me right at my hips. You know, you ain't gotta do too much with this bag. And then just for shits and gigs, I would never put it to crossbody, especially this short, but it's, you know, giving me a little right titty flex right there. Nothing too bad, but hold on, I'm gonna show y'all with the longest setting. It's not much of a jump from the shortest to the longest, but it does give me a little bit more hang time. But this is personally how I like to wear it, unless I'm wearing it top handle. And then, of course, because of convenience, sometimes I will do it crossbody just if I'm in a pinch. And I think that looks absolutely fantastic. This has opened my eyes up to the Speedy 20, and I really didn't think it would suit my lifestyle. But seeing what I can put in this bag, it just makes you second guess it. It's like, wow, like this is a small bag, no doubt about it, but it's still functional. And that's what I need. And she's fashionable, which is also something I need. This fit right here. I know it's fall right now, and look at this. I can transition her. You better come on through, transition. I'm so happy I got this in my collection because it's light enough to pull off with, you know, your spring, summer wardrobe, but it's also dark enough where I can still rock it in the fall and winter. And I'm not so conscious of the fact like, oh, I'm gonna get it dirty because it's light. Because of that pearl finish, it reflects and does all of the, oh man. This is the most expensive impulse purchase I have ever done in my entire life. And I do not regret it one bit. There's nothing about this bag that I hate. And honestly, when I get into this bag, when I start using this bag, it's hard for me to leave it. And that says a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.